Hi guys, Jackie from Manchester. Hi. This one is about the all-important personal statement that is used to support your application for admission into university. Admissions read it, they do use it, and it's so important. This is your big chance, your big opportunity to sort of articulate everything that you know about the course, about you, any experience, what skills, why you'll make a good student. So let's talk about the key features. Put some thought into your statement. It's not something that you rush, basically. Do draft after draft. Make each line count. Each part or section, make sure it has value. Start with a list of words. Get someone to read it, redraft it, add to it, change it. Whatever you do, don't rush it. As I said sort of earlier in the course, you can apply for one course, which is a fee of £20 on UCAS, or up to 5 courses, but you only write one personal statement. So be mindful of that and don't sort of name drop sort of particular universities if you're applying to several universities. So that's just something to be aware of. UCAS has some amazing resources. It has worksheets and sort of personal statement mind maps and things like that. And also there's a resource called Compare Universities, and that has some examples of personal statements. So let's look at sort of some key things that you need to include in your statement. Let's start off with like the course. Have a look at the course descriptors of the universities that you're applying to. Sort of try and explain why you are enthusiastic about that course, why you want to study that course. What's your previous study? What did you do well at school or college? What experience do you have? Do you take part in activities? So skills, achievements, experience, previous study. Any personal circumstances. If you have sort of caring responsibilities, draw in your sort of personal life experiences into your statement. What are your hobbies, your personality? Have you had any jobs, work experience? Did you do a placement? Let's have a think about the structure of your statement. So part 1, your opener, your introduction. Give it a kick, some excitement, enthusiasm. Talk about the course. Part 2, evidence. Why does this course interest you? What inspires you? Anything about your personal life that you can bring in. Part 3, sort of any work experience. Why you think you will fit into university. Any achievements. And then part 4, you could look at it as your closing. You're reinforcing it. You're telling the university how committed you're going to be, why you're going to be perfect for university life and this course. A few don'ts. So yeah, have a look at UCAS. They've got loads of resources, mind maps, worksheets. Think about the structure, why that course, why it interests you. Show enthusiasm, keep it concise. And remember that you only write one personal statement. Do lots of drafts, get help, get it proofread. I'll say thanks for watching. I'll say goodbye for now.